Hello guys, I'm going to tell you how to execute the fifth program in FOSS and Cloud Computing Lab. So I have shared this lab manual to you in a Google Classroom. So today I'm going to explain and I'm going to show you the demo of installing the Google App Engine, and I have created an unrolled app using a Python, and I'm going to execute this Python in Google App Engine. So for that I have given the step-by-step procedure over here. You can use the link python.org/downloads for downloading the Python. Anything with more than 2.7 and higher version, we can say that 2.7 and higher version is sufficient for executing this application, Hello World app, into a Google App Engine. And the second one that I want to tell you is about you have to download any text editor or any other editor. So here I am going to show you a demo that I have used a Notepad++ editor for writing the Python program, and I have also downloaded a Google App Engine from the cloud.google.com. so you can use this URL for downloading the Google App Engine. So I have given the URL for the first one, Python. You have to download anything with either 2.7 or higher version, and you need a programming to be edited. You need some text editors. So I installed a Notepad, which is open source software, free of edition, free of cost. So I use this for executing it in a Windows operating system. And also I have downloaded a Google App Engine from the given URL, cloud.google.com. And after that, what I did is I'm here, there is a Notepad, and I have created two files. The first file is, so here you can see that file name. So here you can see, so here you can see that I have created a file name called test.py, and I have written the program for displaying the hello world, and I have created another file with an extension of .yaml. So here you have to specify the app version, Python 2.7, so and 0.18 as a API versions and thread, and then you have to give the URL for running this hello world app. So here I'm just used the test, right? So I'm going to use that file .app. I'm going to execute this as a URL. So with that the program is over. So after you have completed this, so what we need to do is, so once you have saved everything fine, so I have saved all my program over here, test and app.yam file, test.py and app.yaml file, so in the folder called test, right? So after that, so you have already installed that Google App Engine, so you just try to open that one. So once you open, you will be getting a screen, and here you can have to set a path by typing Google -cloud SDK /bin /dev_app server.py, and followed by, so I think you have understood that, right? So that file followed by, I'm going to drag this file, the file that I have created, and I'm going to put it here, which means I'm just trying to copy and paste that URL location, so that the file is located on the test folder, the Python file, and it is in the desktop. So this is the path I have made it as, and now I'm going to press enter. So I think here the server gets as started. So now I'm going to open a new web browser. So I have opened it, and here I'm going to type that path, http://localhost. I think we are using the port number as 8080, right? So when you press enter, so you'll get hello world over here. So hope you understood this, and hope you can do you can use that manual for step-by-step instruction, and you can able to get this output clear. So if you have any queries, just feel free to speak during the next session.